Hello and welcome, Sparkimus here to demo my BountySigns plugin for y'all. I'm going to start off by showing you guys where exactly we're getting this code from, so you know there's no funny business. Getting it from my GitHub page, Sparkimus BountySigns. Going to go ahead and do a quick pull so you know we're up to date. Take a look at the POM file so you know what version we're on. That's 1.0.1. That's the code version, not necessarily the version I posted to Spigot or Bukkit, although I do like to keep those in sync. Okay, so now we're going to do a quick build of our project. This is just running Maven install and copying the POM file with the dependencies over to my plugins folder with a more simply named jar file. And you can see that over here in just a second. Okay, so there it is. Our plugin is loaded. Now let's start up the server, and that's just going to take a second. I'm thirsty. Okay, so to briefly explain this plugin, essentially as a OP, or there's a permission setting for this too, but you can set a target, set a reward for that target, and then essentially imprint it on a sign, and then other players can, go click that sign, accept the challenge, the mission, and then if they go find that mob, they'll get that reward. And they can only do it once every 24 hours by default. Okay, so it's loaded up. I'll go over to Minecraft, connect to localhost. Now obviously most of you guys probably won't build this from scratch, you'll just get it from Spigot or Bukkit, so you'll just be dropping the jar in the plugin folder there. But I just want to show you guys so anybody who's interested in building it from scratch can do so. Okay, so first thing we need to find a target. Nice little cow here. You can do this with a mob with a custom name through a couple different, like Citizens plugin I think lets you create special mobs. Obviously name tags also let you put special names. This cow doesn't have a special name, so it'll just be cow, but this will work with custom names. So we have to run BNTY and then target. So you can see our target is a cow, and I will highlight the diamond sword in my bag and say BNTY reward. And now we have our reward set, and we're ready to right click a sign. So I can right click to put the sign down. It doesn't matter what I type there, it's going to get overwritten. And then I will right click the sign, and you can see now this sign says wanted cow, and there's a reward. So if a player comes up, and will be that player, we'll right click the sign. You can see mission accepted, find cow, he will be rewarded diamond sword 1. Okay, so we'll go find that cow, and I think you have to wait like 30 seconds for this to get cached into the server. So pick some grass, and that sounds about right. Let's punch the cow. Boom. Okay, so you can see there, diamond sword 1 rewarded, and there it is in my bag. And pretty simple stuff, not much more to cover. I will show you guys just a couple more commands. You can say BNTY list to show all the current bounties on your server. You can, let me pop over to Spigot real quick to list these. You can clear them all by saying bounty clear all. Let's do that, and you can see the sign, actually the text disappears. See, the sign disappears, so this sign will no longer give a bounty to players. Now if a player did actually accept the bounty before you cleared it, it would still allow them to get a reward if they found it. Didn't want to cheat the players in that way. But that's about it. The other commands there are pretty self-explanatory. You can clear just a particular sign by the ID, or you can clear all particular signs for a given bounty target. And then this one that says bounty reset, that like if you just picked a target or you just picked a reward, running bounty reset will clear those out of the memory of the server. And that's about it. Pretty easy stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you'd like me to add to this, to this particular plugin. And enjoy.